Holy! Ever wonder what would happen if you put a sparkler in a Dremel tool? I can't be the only one who has wondered what would happen. Looks like a perfect fit in there. All right, I'm gonna have to put the phone down to tighten this up. Hang on. All right, chucked up. Look at. I'll put my safety glasses on here. Hang on a sec. Oh, it's going wobbly. Oh, look at that. Look at. Let's light it. For safety purposes, we'll put it in between some wood there. Yeah, let's light it and turn it on. All right. Turn that on. Kick up the speed. Holy That was pretty cool.